New York's most famous dishes actually worth the price? Yeah, that is phenomenal. In today's video, we are going to iconic places like this one, and we're trying their most famous talked about food to determine, is it actually worth your money or is it just overhyped? So let's get to this delicious or devastating or disappointing video. Come on. Katz Delicatessan is a New York staple since 1888. It's actually New York's first deli, and they're most famous for their pastrami on rye sandwich. I actually had to Google what pastrami is, and it's beef brisket that is cured, seasoned, and brined. It's pretty salty. Here's a little insider tip. You see how there's no line? That will never happen if you come after 12 p.m. So the trick to getting here without waiting outside in the scorching heat or freezing cold, come before 12 p.m. Now let's go inside and pay for an overpriced sandwich. Hopefully it's worth it, because I'm already mad that I have to pay $28 for this. All right, I got my ticket. That's what you get when you come in. You better not lose this ticket, otherwise you will pay heavily. Hi, could I just do the pastrami on rye? However you make it, like the traditional way.
Classic is about here.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, it's happening, it's happening. So this spot is really famous for that scene in Harry Met Sally. You probably know what I'm talking about. She has a intimate moment with herself for pretend.
Yes, 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 oh!
I love that there's tables available. That's so rare. Oh, thanks. There's a sample. Should I try the sample first? This is such a weird breakfast. It's because I've eaten nothing today, but let's start right now. I want this, but I'm gonna save it for the sandwich. But Victor, why don't you try that? It's good, right? It's here, it's happening, it's happening. Let's find a table. This sandwich is so heavy. Like, I feel like this is like 2 pounds of meat or 3. I don't know, it's heavy. That's all you need to know. Also, almost the size of my head. $28, so I feel like I definitely got $28 worth of meat here. So originally I was mad about the price tag, but now that I see how much meat this is, it kind of is worth it just for quantity wise. But wow, look at, oh my God, it's like falling out. Look at that. Look at that steam. And they put this nice mustard on it. You see the mustard in there? I love a spicy mustard. I think it works so nice with pastrami normally. The moment of truth has arrived. It's so tender, and the flavor is so nice. I mean, this is the best pastrami I've ever had. Normally I hate pastrami. This should be a different category of pastrami. It's just so savory. You get a nice salty tone. You get a nice spice with that mustard. And then you can pair it with one of their pickles. They have a variety of pickles here. I'm a big fan of pickles. Tastes like a cucumber, that one. I realize it's a cucumber, people, but it's not supposed to taste like a cucumber. Let's try this one. I don't know what kind of pickle this is, but this one looks like more of a dill. This one's really good. I honestly thought this wouldn't live up to the hype, but because we didn't have to wait in the line, which would have made me pissed off for sure, I want to be a tough critic today. I want to give it 4 stars, not 5. The flavor's amazing. Everything's delicious. My only reduction of a star is the fact that it was $28, which is just me being mad at the price. And yes, you do get a lot of meat with it, but $28 for a sandwich is a lot of money. But flavor-wise, on point. You could share this with multiple people. And guess what? This is for you, Victor, so enjoy that. Wow. Paid for it, and guess what? It wasn't $28, it was $31 with tax. So one sandwich for $31. I'm sticking to my 4-star rating here because the 5-star isn't happening. They lost a star for that price tag. Other than that, absolutely delicious. Love it. Let's go to our next spot. We're heading to our next spot, which is Dominique Anel for the Cronut. I'm hoping they have it. They are often out of stock. And while we're there, if you guys are foodies, you're gonna love this because I have a food tour in New York. We go to 5 amazing spots. You get 5 dishes on it. You get to see the sights of the city. You get all the most iconic classic things that I really think are worth it. Unlike some of the things in this video, and it's all efficient, and that way you know what you want to try more of and what you don't want to try more of. And that's how I designed it. So I hope you join us on the tour. And with that, let's hope that we can find the Cronut. Welcome to Dominique Anel, a bakery here in Soho that became very famous in 2013 for a creation of the Cronut, which is a combination between a croissant and a donut. Shockingly, I've never tried it, and today we're going to try it. They have a different flavor every month, so let's go inside and see if this is worth the hype. We got it. It wasn't sold out, which is great. I think because a lot of the hype has died down since 2013. I think it looks pretty cool, looks pretty fluffy, which is fun. This is their mango jam and condensed milk ganache. And a ganache, if you don't know what it is, I didn't know what it is. I had to Google it. It's like a mix between a whipped cream and a mousse, like in between that-ish. My first reaction here is not happy with the price tag. This was $8.50 for one donut. Seems to be a theme for the expensive price tag. So let's try it. Wow, it is also heavy. Okay, you drop that, it's probably loud. Ready? Listen. It's heavy donut. Wait, what is going on? It's kind of like gross, like a pimple. Not loving that. Anyway. Oh no. Oh no. That beautiful opening did not happen for me. Let me try this side. Oh, now I've kind of destroyed it. Honestly, this doesn't really look like a croissant at all to me, like in any way, shape, or form. This very much looks like a donut texture. I don't really see where the layering for the croissant happens. It's supposed to have that fluffy layering that you would see in a croissant. Like, look at my fingers already. You see that? Maybe that's why they gave me a fork and knife. What can you do? You can't control me. Just like go off, go crazy with this stuff. All right, let's try it. I don't know. I like the donut part. It honestly just tastes like a sugar donut on the outside, and the inside has like a lot of that jam and cream, which makes it kind of like overpoweringly sweet. I don't love that component of it. It's beyond like moist. It is like wet, like literally, like look at this. Okay, it feels like I'm eating a pudding, to be honest with you. I don't want any more of this. I don't think that's a good reaction to have. I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. I know they have different flavors every month. So this is their July flavor, which was the mango jam. Not a fan. I'm gonna give it like a 2 out of 5. Big waste of $8.50. And now I don't know what to do with my hands because they're so dirty. Yeah. I'm here at Magnolia Bakery, which came to fame in the early 90s while Sex and the City was promoting their incredible buttermilk cupcakes. And today I am thrilled to be here because I love a cupcake. It's the perfect size, and that buttermilk frosting, I heard it's life-changing. So let's see if it truly is what they say it is. Right when we walked in here, the smell like hits me. It smells so good in here, like a delicious, delicious local bakery. Like they nailed that. It feels like very cute and like your grandma's bakery. I love that factor. There's so many different colored cupcakes, and essentially you just kind of choose your base, which would be chocolate or vanilla or red velvet, and then you choose like your topping. I'm thinking like, let me just do their classic. Thank you. Look at that. With a cute little daisy. Moment of truth. It's like, it's also heavy, by the way. Like this frosting's like thick. I mean, that is thick. That buttermilk frosting. Woo! This is, oh my God, it's so creamy. In kind of almost a charming way. Like, it's not like I'm gonna throw up sweet. It's like, like a birthday cake, you know? Like, it's so yummy. Huh. The cake, slightly dry. Like, I would have liked it to be a little bit more moist, but the flavor's good. It's like a classic vanilla, really well balanced. The frosting really does it all. Here's what I like to do. Break off half, and then you put it on top, and you make a cupcake sandwich. That's my little trick, okay? I'm gonna give it a 4.5. The points only docked because of the dryness. $4. Well, their cupcakes is what made them famous. What is actually, I think, making them even more of a big deal is their banana pudding. This is my go-to when I come here. It is unbelievable. I know a lot of people don't normally go for like a banana pudding, but this is probably my favorite dessert in the entire city. Like, it is phenomenal. So if you come here, get their banana pudding, try a cupcake. Magnolia Bakery is not gonna let you down. Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs. This spot was founded in Coney Island, New York in 1916. So it's over 100 years old. They're known for their all beef hot dogs and they got famous because of their low prices. Originally, they were only 5 cents. Today, it's not so much the case. So I'll tell you what, literally the reviews are the worst I've ever seen. It is a 2.5 star rating, so I'm a little bit nervous to even try this. And people are complaining about it being super overpriced and being charged too much money. We're doing one of their food trucks. The original Nathan's is in Coney Island. However, they have food trucks all over the city serving the exact same thing. So let's try it and see if it's actually as bad as I say it is. Or I don't know, maybe it's gonna be good. We're gonna see. Could I just do regular, like basic hot dog with mustard, I guess? So it's $6 for one hot dog. When I go shopping at the grocery store, that is a whole pack of hot dogs. So is it as good as a whole pack of hot dogs? Like, is it worth that price? We're about to see. We're about to witness the sitch. Yeah, just what? Yeah.
Give me 2 hot dogs.
So thank you. It looks good. It looks pretty. Kind of almost looks like very New York iconic. All right, here we are. The flavor of New York, they say. I'm not thrilled because I'll tell you what, it ended up being $6.90, which I feel like is a dollar is a lot of tax for something that was $6. It was $5.99. I don't know, I'm bad at math, but that seems high. Essentially, this was $7. It was $7 for one hot dog. The bun is not toasted, which I normally feels like adds to the experience. Feels a little dry. Mustard ketchup looks good. Let's just try it. This is weird, but the hot dog's like lukewarm. Yeah, like it's not like hot, and it's a hot dog, so that's kind of, it's like in the name. There's not really any flavor going on here. Like it's mainly like a vessel for the bread and the mustard and ketchup. Like you feel the texture of the hot dog, but like you don't really have, there's not a ton of flavor. So I'm gonna give it a 2 because I'm saving a 1 for like, I'm gonna throw up if I eat it. It's not the reaction I'm having. It's fine. Like it's just like, not worth the price at all. Absolutely not. If you want like a really good hot dog, I recommend going to Criff Dogs. And Criff Dogs has a speakeasy inside, which is super cool. So I'm gonna say no to this. 2 out of 5 stars. Junior's Restaurant and Bakery has been a New York staple for their famous New York style cheesecake. They have lines waiting out the door, and we're here to see if it really lives up to the hype. Honestly, I've never had it. I'm skeptical. I'm not even a cheesecake fan, so we're already looking down, but let's give it a try. I'm gonna be open-minded. I wonder how overpriced it will be, because I feel like that's been a theme. All of these spots that you hear about, they're so overpriced. So this was $9.25 for one slice. Is that normal? I don't know. I feel like living in New York, you get used to crazy prices. It's a bit high, right? Kind of normal. It's kind of normal, kind of normal. Okay, we're gonna go with kind of normal. This is very dense. I'll tell you that. Like, this is a big slice too. Like, I'm not gonna be able to finish this. Has a nice little crumble, like pie crust on the bottom there. I don't know if you can kind of see that. We just got their plain because I wanted to try what they're really known for. Not a fan of cheesecake, so I'm like, all right, open-minded. It tastes a lot like sour cream, but like sour cream that has like a lot of sugar. Is that what cheesecake's made of? It's made of cream cheese. I feel like I'm just eating a block of cream cheese. Very rich, very decadent. This would be incredible with like a cappuccino. Dare I say, it's very similar vibes to Eileen's Cheesecake in Soho, which I actually love. I think the serving size is way too large for one person, so if you're gonna do it, share it because it's a lot of sugar, but overall I'm gonna give it a 4. I'm surprised. I really thought I was gonna hate this one. See, this is what these videos are all about. It's like sometimes you think these spots are just overrated, but there's a reason they became famous. Well, love it. Started in Brooklyn and it still is solid today, even in Times Square. Well, I think I've had enough of this food today, and yeah, I hope this video helps you decide where you want to spend your time with trying some of these foods. Some of them were phenomenal, some of them not so much. If you want to explore more amazing foods of the city, join my food tour. It'll be super fun, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.